So, sino po nag-hire sa inyo? Sabi kasi ni Baterna, ni Miss Baterna, pinontak lang daw kayo. So, sino kumontak sa inyo? Lucky South 99 o si Miss Baterna? Pero Lucky South po ang nag-contact sa inyo.
Yes, yeah.
So, ang ibig sabihin, sinungaling si Baterna?
Naawa ako sa'yo kasi hindi mo alam eh. Marami kang hindi alam. Ibig sabihin, ibahin ko yung question ko. Ibig sabihin, nagamit ka.
Nagsisinungaling ka ng batang to.
Mr. Chair,
Nakikilalaga ka rito, Baterna. Maniwala ka sa akin because you've been there for so many years.
Mr. Chair,
Ako si Kasandaong, nandun po sa Whirlwind.
Nakisout lang po yung natatandaan kong pinipero.
Oh, now you're lying again. Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt.
hindi ka naman bobo eh. Matalino ka eh.
Okay. O sige. So we will be proceeding to the next interpellator. Congressman Abante, you are now recognized.
Thank you. Chair. Well, I'd like to find out, I read the letter of former chairman Andrea Domingo. Mr. Chair, I'd like to find out if they also have submitted a medical certificate attached to her letter. Chair.
What's the query of the chairman of Committee on Human
I
Rights?
read the letter of Andrea Domingo that she cannot attend because of health issue. I'd like to find out if there's any medical certificate attached to it because under our rules, anyone that's invited that has health issues must also submit a medical certificate, the chair.
I
The
believe
presence of Chairman Andre Domingo here is very important.
if you want to ask question, Congressman Abante, with regard to the letter that was submitted by former PAGCOR Chief Domingo, andito po yung, I think the lawyer is here. The lawyer of Andrea Domingo. So you can ask him about the medical attachment, medical record, or medical.
Where is the lawyer of Mr. Chair? Kinakailangan ba mag-oath muna to, Mr. Chair? Or before he answers?
Ano lang
Did
naman
he
to?
take
Yes
his
or no
oath?
lang. Have you, what do you call this? Secure a medical certificate coming from a doctor pertaining to the health condition of people, na? Or they will provide in the next hearing. Will that suffice your query?
No, it does not, Mr. Chair, because I believe that
So what's the pleasure of the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights?
the medical certificate must be attached, Chair, to the letter of former Chairman Andrea Domingo.
So what's the pleasure?
So, well, I really would like to make a motion to issue a show cause. But of course,
Mr.
this will be the last hearing we're going to have before the quad hearing. So I'm not going to make a motion anymore.
Okay, thank you so much. And not the policy, but our tradition and our somehow rule na we invite them twice. Kapag tayo po ay hindi pinagbigyan, then we issue. Okay, so for the meantime, we'll be proceeding the next. You are the interpellator. Congressman
Mag-interpolate
Abante.
pa ako.
Go ahead.
Yes, oo. I'd like to ask a question to sino yung lady that asked a while ago, Mr. Chair, who became the incorporator of the, what do you call that?
Lucky South 99,
Lucky South 99.
Outsourcing Incorporated.
I would like to ask a question to her, Mr. Chair.
Si Miss Baterna.
Miss Paterna, di po ba kayo pinressure na maging member na maging incorporator? Yung po ba ay ayon sa inyong kalooban o pinressure kayo? Sapagkat kanina binanggit ninyo, wala kayong alam eh.
Wala po talaga akong alam kasi yung instruction dagdag.
Therefore, Mr. Chair, kung yan dagdag nyo, hindi po dagdag na responsibility nyo maging incorporator. Eh. Kung hindi mo alam yan, ibig sabihin, inaamin mo sa committee ito, you were pressured to be a part of the corporation. Pinressure kayo. Aminin nyo na po dito na you were pressured.
Hindi naman po.
Ayon sa
Kasi po yung instruction.
That's what I'm saying, Mr. Chair, no? Yun ang instruction sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, na-pressure kayo sa instruction sa inyo. Tama ho, mali, Mr. Chair. Yun ang empleyado kayo dun eh. Empleyado kayo. Oh. Di ba parang hindi tama na empleyado ka lang, magiging member ka ng korporasyon. Oh. Kayo ay empleyadong sumisweldo and you were instructed. Therefore, Mr. Chair, kung mag-asabi kang totoo ngayon, alright, yung instruction sa'yo, na-pressure ka na maging incorporator ng, anong company yon? Lucky South. Na-pressure ka sa instruction. Correct. Tama ba? Mali. You were instructed. You were instructed. Ibig sabihin, doon sa instruction, sumunod ka. Correct? Sumunod ka. Am I right? Pakisagot po. Pakisagot na.
Apa.
Yan. Therefore, kung sumunod ka sa instruction, na-pressure ka.
Congressman Abante, I think Ronaldin Baterna brought along with her lawyers. Meron kang lawyer, di ba? Wow.
But of course,
Sige,
Mr. Chair.
wait, Congressman Abante. So, sino mga lawyers na kasama po ninyo?
NF,
Ano po?
FC Morales.
Andyan po ba sila? So, sino nagbayad po ng lawyer ninyo? Sino po?
Josel Vila.
Sino po nagbayad ng lawyer ninyo? Kayo po? Ikaw pa? Ikaw ba nagbayad? Sino nagbayad? Hindi, tinatanong ko lang kung sino nagbayad ng lawyer mo kasi may kasama kang lawyer. Sino nagbayad ng lawyer mo? Pinontak mo lang? Walang bayad yan? Wala? Okay, lawyer. Sige. Tingnan natin kung sino lawyer.
Sino po yung lawyer?
Asa yung lawyer ninyo? Ayun siya. Can you kindly sit beside Ronaldin Baterna? Can you please state your name?
Good afternoon. Alias
Anong firm po kayo? Anong firm? Law firm?
NFC Alias Law.
Sino pong nag-hire sa inyo? Did you take your oath?
No, not yet.
Can you please stand up and I will consider her as our resource speaker.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth?
Okay, sa attorney. So, sino po nag-hire sa inyo?
As far as my
Lucky South,
yes,
99 na
Yes, Mr.
sabi kasi ni Baterna, ni Miss Baterna, kinontak lang daw kayo. So, sino kumontak sa inyo? Lucky South 99 o si Miss Baterna?
sir, I am only as far as that matter.
Pero Lucky South po ang nag-contact sa inyo.
Yes, Your
So, ang ibig sabihin, sinungaling si Baterna? Kasi sabi niya, kinontak ka niya eh. Kinontak ka ba niya?
Your Honor.
So, siya ang kumontak sa inyo?
Contact. We were in.
Siya ba yung kumontak o other people from the Lucky South 99? Siya ba o others?
I am not privy, Mr. To.
Di ba, you will be representing the Lucky South 99. And you must know the details about your representation. And I think it is incumbent upon you to know all the details. It's like going to the battle without ammunition. Attorney, I'm not an abogado, pero ako, kapag humaharap ako sa gera, I'm full of bala, di ba? You should also, di ba? So, simple lang naman yung tanong namin eh, di ba?
Yes.
O sino
Yes,
yung kausap niyo po sa Lucky South 99? Can you kindly ask your boss? I'll give you time. I'll give you time. You call and ask, sino ang kausap niyo sa Lucky South 99? Okay? And we'll be going back to you. Sige, Congressman Abante, in a while, be going back to the attorney para at least malaman po natin kung sino kumontak. Kasi, it's klaro dito na medyo, Ronaldin Baterna, I think you are lying. You are lying. Kaya, mamaya, sabihin mo na yung nalalaman mo because this will help you a lot. Sige, Congressman
Chair, tuloy ko lang.
Abante.
Ano po yung position ninyo when you were receiving 17,000?
Receptionist.
Okay,
under admin.
receptionist ka. Alright? Ikaw ay ang iyong tapos associate, no? 2 years lang. Alright. Nung ikaw ay binigyan ng 23,000 a month, ano ang posisyon niyo yan?
Sabi lang po,
Ano yon?
tari nga paper.
So, ibig sabihin, yung 23,000 pesos a month na tinatanggap mo, ang iyong position is corporate secretary ng korporasyon. Yun po ba?
Admin pa rin, under admin.
At andali lang, hindi mo ko sinasagot na maayos eh. Alright. Sabi mo kanina, Mr. Chair, ikaw ay naging corporate secretary at dahil lang dyan, itinaas ang sweldo mo ng 23,000. Tama. Therefore, kung corporate secretary ka, hindi ka lang sa admin. Ikaw ay corporate secretary ng korporasyon. Tama, mali? Okay. Yung ba, alam mo o hindi mo alam?
Hindi po.
O, see? Ibig sabihin, Mr. Chair, kung hindi mo alam yan, na-pressure ka. Pinressure ka, na-pressure ka. Mr. Chair. Sagutin mo lang kung tama o mali. Na-pressure ka. Tama.
Hindi po.
Teka. Alam mo, under oath ka, di ba? You're under oath. You're under oath. Alam niyo bang ibig sabihin ng under oath?
Opo.
Na magsasabi ka ng totoo. Alright. Now, sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang nagsasabi ng totoo, sapagkat ka, ikaw ay na-promote bilang corporate secretary ng korporasyon, hindi ng admin. Hindi mo alam. Therefore, kung hindi mo alam, ginawa kang corporate secretary ng korporasyon na hindi mo alam, sabihin na pressure ka.
Hindi naman po. Kasi nga po, pagkakaalam ko, clerical.
Mr. Chair, I think that Erna is even confused on her position, that I believe she was pressured and that she is not actually right. I do not know if her lawyer was the one that told her that. Anyway, I would like
And for
to...
your information also, Congressman Benny Abante, that the same law firm na naging lawyer ni Paterna is also the one who filed a motion to quash the search warrant na isinerve po sa PORAC. So sila rin po yung NFC law firm, Reales Law Office. And we're asking yung si attorney siguro you can ask the question Chairman Abante about kung sino doon sa Lucky South 99 ang kumontak sa kanila. You have to find out kung sino talaga yung kumontak.
gusto ko lang po sabihin kami na kinakailangan kabahan dito takot. Nais lang natin malaman ang katotohanan. Lang nais natin malaman. So, Miss Paterna, nabanggit mo ikaw ang kumontak, pero sinabi ng abogado, hindi ikaw. Ang talagang iyan ay abogado ng Lucky South. Sila ay abogado ng Lucky South. Therefore, hindi ikaw ang kumontak, kundi ang kumontak noon ay yung officers ng Lucky South. Am I right? Alam.
Ronaldin Paterna, again, alam mo, baka we will be forced to cite you in contempt kasi kanina nagsinungaling ka na sinabi mo na ikaw ang kumontak, But unfortunately, the line of questioning of Congressman Abante leads to something pero you're refusing to answer. And alam mo, kung bago ka lamang dyan, we will be considerate. Kasi 5 taong ka na dyan eh. Like for example, to sila Julian Linsangan, Edwin Siang, Marion Ryan Chua. Bago lang po ba kayo o nagtatrabaho din kayo sa kanilang kumpanya, sa other companies? Wala kayong connection sa mga companies na to? Okay, so identity theft yung kanila. Well, si Julian Lansangan, si Edwin Siang, si Marion Ryan Chua, kasi sila yung mga bagong incorporators ng Lucky South 99 Corporation. Kasi you have to understand that yung Whirlwind, yun yung sa real estate, yung nagpapagawa ng development. Pero pagdating sa pagkuha ng lisensya sa PAGCOR, ang ginamit po na nilang una ay Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. And then nag-file sila ng articles of incorporation na citing all the amendments. At ang pinalit nila sa Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated ay Lucky South 99 Corporation. So, yun na po yung bagong pangalan. Kasi nga, hindi na-aprubahan sa PAGCOR yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing. Kaya ang ginawa po nila, nag-file sila ng amendment at binago nila yung mga incorporators. At doon pumasok sila Julia, sila Linsangan. Doon kayo pumasok sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. Am I correct? Kaya tinatanong ko kung doon po kayo kasama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Yes.
Diba? Doon kayo kasama. And before that, Lucky South 99 Corporation, yung outsourcing. Yung outsourcing na Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, doon kasama si Cassandra Leong. Siya ang incorporator doon at nung binago to sa amendment, tinanggal na si Cassandra Leong at siya na ang naging representante at ng Whirlwind Corporation. In other words, talaga makikita mo na yung kanilang mga corporations are intertwined as well. Na meron lang ginamit na mga incorporators na mga bogus. Bogus sila eh. Hindi sila kasama dun sa original eh. Pero to si Ronaldin Baterna, kasama siya mula una hanggang huli. Hanggang ngayon, kasama ka, Ronaldin Baterna. Kasama ka sa Outsourcing Incorporated ng Lucky South 99. Kasama ka sa Lucky South 99 Corporation when it was amended.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
gusto lang i-establish dito. Miss Paterna, naawa ako sa iyo kasi hindi mo alam eh. Marami kang hindi alam. Ibig sabihin, ibahin ko yung question ko. Ibig sabihin, nagamit ka. Tama o mali? Hindi mo alam eh. Nagamit ka, correct? Tama o mali? Ano po yun? Ano po yun?
Ando lang. So,
Look,
parang wala po akong alam.
Ang korporasyon po na kinabibilangan ng mga foreigners, ang 60% po niyan dapat Pilipino. Ang 40% dapat foreigners. So ilan po ang share ninyo? Ilan ang share ninyo sa korporasyon na yan?
Wala po.
So corporate secretary ka, incorporator ka, pero wala kang share, correct? Sino ang may hawak ng 60% share?
Hindi ko po alam.
Sino ang ibang Pilipinong incorporator dyan?
Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Sir, may establish dito, hindi niya alam kung sino yung mga Pilipino incorporator at hindi niya alam dapat ang korporasyon sa Pilipinas merong 60% share ng Pilipino, 40% ang share ng foreigner. Sino po yung foreigner na merong share dyan na incorporator? So hindi mo yun alam kung sino yung Chinese na incorporator dyan. Hindi mo kilala kung sino ang presidente at chairman ng korporasyon?
Hindi po.
So, corporate secretary ka, ikaw ang nililista ng lahat, ikaw ang nagre-record ng lahat, pero hindi mo alam ang pangulo ng korporasyon.
Hindi po, kasi hindi po.
Kaya lang, ikaw ang corporate secretary, Mr. Chair. Eh. So ito establish natin, hindi mo kilala ang presidente ng korporasyon. Hindi mo rin kilala ang chairman ng korporasyon.
Hindi po.
Hindi mo rin kilala ang mga Filipino incorporators.
Hindi rin po.
Mr. Chair, nasubmit ko sa committee ito ang testimony ni Ms. Paterna na siya po ay ginamit at na-pressure kahit hindi niya inaamin.
Congressman Batcabante, I think this person is withholding her knowledge about a lot of things. I truly believe on that. Why? Because she's been there for 5 years. 5 taon na sila magkakasama. At kung titignan mo ang mga dokumento, mula nung una, na ginawa pa lamang po yung Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated, isa na siya doon. Naging Lucky South 99 group pa yan. Tapos naging corporation. And now, you're denying na wala kang alam. And I believe dito medyo pinaiikot tayo nito. And I'll be holding back, no? Yung ating nararamdaman sa ngayon because medyo itong si Ronaldin Baterna being there for the longest time, no? We don't believe that you don't know the president. You don't know the members. You don't know the other incorporators. You don't know Cassandra Ong?
Sandra Ong, kilala ko po.
Kano mo na siya katagal kasama? Nakakita mo siya, nakakausap.
Hindi,
Hindi mo siya nakakausap for 5 years?
hindi po.
Alam mo, nagsisinungaling talaga tong batang to.
Mr. Chair,
And I believe that hindi ka lalagyan ka rito, Baterna. Maniwala ka sa akin because you've been there for so many years.
Mr. Chair.
Alam namin na meron kang alam. To be honest.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Nabante.
I would disagree with you on holding back. I'd like to make a motion that we put Ms. Paterna in contempt of this committee until such time that she tells us the truth about the corporation. So I move, Mr.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
Congressman,
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, Ms. Paterna. Ms. Paterna, may motion na po. Naintindihan mo ba yung contempt motion ni Chairman Pante? Do you understand? Alam mo po ba yun? Ito, kasi Ms. Paterna, as far as I understand, pag sinight ka ng contempt dito sa House, you will be detained. No? Ngayon, yung contempt is part of our internal rules, Section 11 of our internal rules. At alam mo ba yung violation mo? Your violation is paragraph C of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C, refusal to answer important questions from the members of this committee. In short, you are lying.
Pasensya na po kayo. First time ko po.
Hindi,
Saka hindi
kaya
po
nga,
ako
kaya nga
sanay.
in-explain ko sa iyo. So you now understand the consequences of your refusal to answer pertinent questions. Kasi, sandali po, Mr. Chairman, who's the lady?
No, she's the lawyer. Attorney,
Sandali po.
please don't whisper to the resource speaker.
Sandali po.
Let her
Sandali.
answer, okay, on her own. Okay? Unless the members of this committee allow you to say something to your...
Mr. Chair, I would withhold the motion if right now Ms. Paterna will tell the truth.
siguro, Dennis Cunanan, andyan si Dennis Cunanan eh. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated.
Sandali po, Mr. Chairman, di pa ko tapos eh.
The chairman can interject.
No,
Okay?
I am just...
Yes, I recognize you.
I do not want to
Yes,
hear...
Congressman Paduano.
With due respect, hindi pa po ako tapos because I have to ask first, Ms. Paterna, if indeed she understands the
Okay.
contempt motion.
Okay, because of you give
And
some...
now you're-
No,
now
wait,
you're recognizing Dennis
Congressman Paduano. Let the chairman acknowledge you again or recognize you before you speak. Para medyo tayo may order, no? So, the good chairman of Committee on Public Accounts asked some question. So, can you please reply?
Ito tanong mo na diretso. Ms. Paterna. O ngayon, sinabi ko na lahat-lahat. Gusto mo tagalogin natin? Naintindihan mo ba yung sinabi ko kanina? Yung contempt order o motion? Naintindihan mo na? Na ikukulong ka dito sa House. Naintindihan mo ba? Naintindihan mo ba? O tapos, ang violation mo is yung hindi pagsagot ng tama sa mga tanong ng mga kasapi ng committee ito. Naintindihan mo? Please. Okay. O, yun yung consequences. Now, do you want to answer the queries truthfully?
Yes po.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, so in relation to your motion, Congressman Abante, but put in hold, may I ask Dennis Cunanan, Mr. Dennis Cunanan, you've been in the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated. You were one of those who have started this corporation. Am I right?
I didn't start the corporation.
But
It
you
was
were a part.
assisted, yes,
Kasi kung
we assisted
titignan ko
them.
yung organizational chart, kasama ka doon as a
Lagyan nila sir sa
yes,
communications.
yes, you are a corporate communication and government relations. And during the time that you were a official of the organization, the corporation, you have encountered si Baterina. Am I
Your
correct?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
So, anong relasyon nyo? I mean, what is your working relationship? Working relationship, not the personal relationship.
I don't relate with her, sir, but she's always there whenever facility there, where they meet all their guests and people, high court. Ito po yung charge doon.
So, in other words, she's working as a real corporate secretary.
For that, I'm not really honest, but I know she works there because
At kasama-sama niya doon sila Cassandra Ong.
yes,
Man.
Okay, go ahead, Congressman. Padua.
Anyway, this is a short question. Anyway, tinanong mo na si Dennis Cunanan. Dennis, sir, now you know talaga yung Miss Paterna, di ba?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay. When was the time that you know the person, Miss Paterna?
When they first asked me to go into that
Year na lang po, year na lang.
2019,
19.
Your Honor.
Oh, 2019, Miss Paterna. Kilala mo po si Dennis Cunanan. Oh, nakikita mo.
Opo.
Oh, pero Dennis, that time, di ba, si Miss Paterna is associated not with Lucky South 99, but with Whirlwind.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Miss Paterna, do you confirm dating Whirlwind ka?
Alam ko po, Erwin, yung parang ang pagkakalam ko po,
Hindi, Miss Paterna, you first sign a document doon sa lease agreement na pinakita kanina ni Congressman Adyong, representing Whirlwind. Sa kabila, Cassandra Ong. Tapos, yung bagong amended lease contract, ikaw na yung nandun sa Lucky South 999. Tapos si Cassandra Ong, nandun po sa Whirlwind.
Lucky South lang po yung natatandaan kong pinipirma.
Oh, now you're lying again. Mr. Chairman, with that, I move to cite in contempt for violation of Section 11, Paragraph C. Refusal to answer pertinent question or lying, Mr. Chairman.
Mr.
So move,
Chair.
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair,
Congressman Pantayo.
I'm still on with my interpellation. Before we act on the motion of Chairman Paduano, I would like to ask again, Ms. Paterna, kung ngayon naniniwala siya na ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Will you answer, please? Hindi siguro. Kung ginamit ka ngayon, nakikita mo na di ba? Nakita mo na, no? Hindi ka naman bobo matalino ka So tinatanong kita, kung ngayon na-realize mo na ginamit ka ng korporasyon. Yan, okay. Mr. Chair, I'd like to manifest that Ms. Paterna has finally admitted that ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. Does Mr. Dennis Cunanan agree with that?
I suppose so, Your Honor, because of
You're not
representation.
supposed to. You better tell me
Yes, Your
right
Honor.
now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, okay. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I also have to manifest that Mr. Cunanan also said that he agrees with Ms. Paterna, admitting that Ms. Paterna ginamit lamang siya ng korporasyon. So, shall we proceed with the motion, Mr. Chair?
Chairman.
Okay, go ahead. Are you done, Congressman Abante? So,
I'm asking if we should proceed with the motion. Yes.
well, there's a motion to cite her.
It was Chairman Paduano who made the motion. If I would like to ask if Chairman Paduano
No,
would like
I
to
think
proceed with the
the
motion.
rule will bear us out. The first who did the motion was Congressman Abante. So we will be not considering. We will not consider the motion of Congressman Paduano because you have the pending motion. So, but before we proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of our senior deputy speaker, Don Gonzales. Sir,
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
acknowledged. Wait. And also Representative Ramon Rodrigo Gutierrez. You are welcome, sir. Go ahead, Congressman
Chair.
Abante.
A while ago, I withheld the motion if Ms. Paterna will tell the truth. So today, she told one truth, Mr. Chair. So I would like to ask now if the motion of Chairman Paduano will still be I would like to ask Mr. Chair, Chairman Paduano about
Mr. Chairman, of course.
Go ahead, Congressman Paduano. But
Of
before you proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Ernesto Dionisio Jr. of the 1st District of Manila and Congressman Paulo Ortega of First District of Laguna. Sir, go ahead.
Of course, I will yield to the wisdom of the honorable committee. But before I will, whether I will hold back my motion, Mr. Dennis Cunanan, last na lang po to sa issue na to. Since you started with Whirlwind, di ba? Tama?
No, sir. Lucky South.
As consultant, di ba?
Lucky South, Your Honor.
Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
But alam mo po na si Paterna is with Whirlwind originally.
Yes, Your Honor. It's because they were the ones who handles the facility.
Who handles the facility.
Yes, Your Honor.
And even the lease contract, alam mo rin yun.
Oh, yes, Your Honor.
Na she was the one who represents in that contract, first contract with the Cruz family.
Yung first contract, Your Honor, it was the original incorporator of Whirlwind, Mascarenas po.
Sa Linas, ba't nandun din si Paterna?
Employee po nila.
Oh. Tapos nag-Lucky South siya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Siya na ngayon nag-represent sa Lucky South.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Last na lang, Miss Paterna. Do you confirm the statement of Dennis Cunanan or you still refute?
Alam ko po, Lucky South.
And then, do you confirm na una nasa Whirlwind ka? Tama?
Opo.
Okay. At least sumagot siya ng tama. So, Mr. Chairman, with that, I withdraw my motion, Mr. Chairman, for a while. Kasi marami pa mamaya ako itatanong kay Miss Paterna.
Okay, Congressman Paduano, thank you so much.